Overton Plaza is possibly one of Montego Bay's first plazas. It's located on Union Street. Right across from it, we have the National Housing Trust, and to the right of it, on Doom Street, we have Montego Bay High School. Overton Plaza has been around for a long time. It was constructed by Overton Plaza Limited at the time when J.P. Carlton Chin was chairman and managing director, and Winston Chin was the director and company secretary. The plaza was opened officially on June 10, 1971. The ceremony was led by Mr. David Lindo, who was the then Parliamentary Secretary in the Ministry of Trade and Industry. At the time, the media dubbed Overton Plaza as the largest shopping center in the island, spanning over 1.5 acres of land. But that was not the only thing it was first for. The building was also equipped with an elevator and public restrooms. Did I do it? Sorry. Many may not know that there was initially a plan for a large garage to be built on that piece of land, but that plan was turned down by the St. James Parish Council.